Hello. Come on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's the Core series, we're sipping on another Dekuyper product. This is the Bluesberry.
Not blue.
Blues.
Blues.
And this is especially for you, Steve A.
That's right.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see more of this. Matt?
So Steve Hay was here last week, and so he's like, you must do better. So I dug this puppy. I never even opened this till today. This is the Dekuyper, I don't know, Dekuyper, whatever, how we pronounce this. And it says Bluesberry, because Bluesberry couldn't possibly just be blueberry. It got to be Bluesberry Blueberry Schnapps Liqueur. It's 15%. It's made with fresh, ripe blueberries. It says best to try neat, ice cold, on the rocks, or mixed. So you mean any way you possibly could serve a liquor? That's all. Just try it all the ways.
Try it the ways.
Now, as you can tell, this is obviously a very old bottle. I think it's probably 20 years old. It's probably from college. I paid less. I paid $10 for a liter of it. The funny part is I looked it up. It's still about $10 for a liter of it. It says some fun cocktails is the Blueberry Club, the Blue Marlin, the Blueberry Margarita, the Blueberry Mojito, but now it's just called Blueberry Schnapps Liqueur. So boo on that. So
They
the
changed
new
the
label
name,
is
huh?
all pretty. It doesn't say Bluesberry anymore. It says Blueberry Liqueur. Like boo.
That's
I don't like that at all. But
silly.
I wonder if the new one's actually blue because all the pictures of the cocktails were blue.
Yeah,
This
and
one is very clear, and I was very disappointed when I opened that it was clear and
Unless
not
it's
blue.
almost like a yellow tint.
Yeah,
to
it's
it.
like yellow. I mean, it's almost
Unless
like
put like food coloring in their cocktails.
yeah. I don't know. I'm figuring the new ones might actually be a blue haze of some sort, but this is
So-
definitely not.
Did Steve get down under the cabinets and like go through that stuff?
No, he's like, what do you have that's really, really Will's gonna hate? I'm like, I have this I found, and I found this other strawberry thing also unopened from college.
Strawberry. That's scary.
That's like from this like brand I've never heard of. So that should be a fun one when we get to that one. But I know that bottle I paid like $4 for in college.
So it's interesting. The nose, I am getting the sickly sweet spun sugar, but
Definitely.
I'm also getting a tart blueberry.
Yes,
I'm getting
Agreed.
blueberry muffin.
That's what
Like
I get.
not-
Blueberry muffins, the little can you get in the pre-made, make the muffin mix.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's exactly what you get. That blueberry donuts, cookie crumble.
but it's very tart
Sugar,
blueberry on the
blueberry.
nose. It to me, it doesn't smell nearly as sweet as it does tart.
You want to know what this would be good in?
Mm,
Those blueberry cookies.
yeah.
No, I bet you're right.
Did you have those?
I don't know.
Do you have those?
You made cookies and then my children ate them all like bastards. But you know, what can I say? I look around. She made me a whole plate. I look back. The kids ate all the damn cookies.
In like a day.
you
too.
suck.
It was less than a day. It was like minutes.
It was gone. It was like within an hour. It was absurd.
Cookies.
I'm like, oh,
Guess they
boy,
were
you guys
good.
suck. Thanks, kids. Appreciate that.
You know what? You know what I actually get most often? Blueberry pancake mix.
Okay.
Oh, you're totally right.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know
Uncooked.
what it also reminds me of? Bran.
Bread.
Okay.
That Bran French single malt reminds me
That's
a
what I
lot
was
of
thinking.
that.
You said, yeah. It's very sweet, like that one is too.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
yeah.
it still has that little bit of tartness in there.
Yeah.
Maybe
I think
we'll review
it's
Bran
more tart on the nose
someday.
than
We'll bring this out with it and go,
Why is
which
it
one's
this color?
the single malt? Which one's the liqueur?
Jesus. Tastes like blueberry pancakes.
It really
Like,
does.
I want
It's
to.
not as sickly sweet as I was hoping it would be.
Again,
No.
the tartness balances
Tart.
the whole thing.
You
It's
really
nice,
need.
actually nice.
You really need to start tasting these before you eat them.
Apparently, son of a bitch.
This is
I
a
tried,
fresh
Steve. I
try.
tried. We agreed on this bottle together.
We agreed
Yeah,
on this bottle together. It's your fault, Steve.
I mean, it smelled like it was going to be.
Yeah, it's not.
pretty sickly sweet. It smelled like that spun sugar, but man,
Actually,
it's
really
balanced.
nice.
It's balanced very well.
I actually want to take this and just pour it over some regular pancakes to make them blueberry pancakes.
Oh, see,
Oh
I
my
want
gosh.
I want a lemon blueberry tea.
Ooh,
That'll
lemon
be
and
good with
blueberry.
this.
Lemon
Yeah.
blueberry tea plus this would be just. Mwah.
We have to
just
do a
do a
day where
lemon
we just
dinner and
pour
just
this
do it.
over pancakes. I want to do that. We want to make pancakes and take different liqueurs and pour them on those, see which one tastes best. I think it's a great idea.
I think that would be a wonderful stream that
Absolutely.
you and I would do without William.
Probably so.
Maybe we could talk him into it if it was waffles.
Yeah, there we go. We could do it with waffles. I'm
Fill
okay.
all the
with
little crevices
that. Each crevice is a different liqueur.
With a different
with a
liqueur.
different liqueur.
Oh my gosh, that would be hilarious.
That would be very fun.
I got some
Actually, I
fun
really
with
like. That's a
waffles.
really good idea.
It'd be messy, but it'd be good.
Should
All
totally.
right. Well, tune in to next Saturday's Liqueur series to see if maybe that one will make me make a face over the sweetness.
Yeah, but it's the same. It's all blueberry muffins
This
and
one
cookies
will.
and donuts.
Yeah, I have a feeling that one.
I know
will.
this one will. We've got 2 more over here. That one's gonna do it.
Yeah, I feel that the next one he may not like though. No, actually, this shockingly is actually
It's
pretty
actually
damn good.
fucking
I would actually think this with like even bubble water, I think would actually be really nice.
Yes.
Or lemonade, I think would be nice. Anything like that. It could be a really great
Lemonade.
summer cocktails.
You know, remember when we did that was it the vodka, the Texas brand vodka that we had on, I forget what they were called.
Oh, Western Sun.
Yes.
Oh,
And they had that blueberry vodka and we
Yeah,
mixed
they
it with
did.
the bourbon cream.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Mix
Yeah.
this with the bourbon cream.
Yeah.
Would
I bet
would be
that's
very similar,
awesome.
Yeah.
This with Screwball is probably really good too.
Ooh, peanut butter and jelly.
I do like that.
We should take Matt. There's another one. We should take all of these fruity ones like this and
Yeah.
mix them with the screwball and see which one.
Good idea. I like that plan.
Yeah, peanut butter and jelly series.
The
Oh,
peanut
I
butter
love
and
it.
jelly series.
Totally make it happen.
That could work.
That would be fun.
For
That's the
us.
best vinegar jelly combo
would
liqueur
be-
you could make.
That would
right?
be a me and you stream, Matt.
Yeah, I feel like Will's not
Be able
having
to
anything.
stomach
He'll
that.
just sit in the corner and drink, Octomore or something.
right. Hey, fuck you guys. I got this.
No, just give them some Octomore to
Mixed with the.
flush after each try.
There you go.
You have to try it, and then you can have your sip of Octomore.
You're gonna ruin the Octomore
Yeah.
Or
That's
make
pretty
the screwball
Octomore.
better.
or make the screwball better. I've heard how much Octomore you have to ruin to make screwball taste better.
Oh my gosh, that'd be
Another
hilarious.
Science, guys. This is science.
That's right.
All right. This one didn't get him. Sorry,
No, but it's
Steve.
actually pretty good. So I would actually, for
Actually-
$10, it's
I got
pretty
to
great
learn.
to be honest.
I like to learn.
I got to learn.
Yeah.
But he wants to see the face.
I know.
And you didn't give him the
I
face.
did
It
not.
has to be natural.
And I don't make the face for no reason.
I know. That's
It's-
why I'm
it's-
saying you can't just make the face.
Right.
It's got to be natural. All right. We'll try again, Steve. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can come back next week and see. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights and check out the Patreon for behind the scenes fun. And until next,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
cheers.
Cheers.
He went out with it.
Wow.
Five, four,
You excited?
a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
So happy.
See that blue stuff? Excited. So excited.
It's not blue. It's clear.
Oh,
I was so disappointed it wasn't blue.
Yeah, I was actually because it looks like it's gonna be in there. 5, 4 again. Hello. Welcome. I got to think that wasn't good.
We've had 6 whiskeys so far, guys.
Shh, don't tell them that. They don't even know that. 5, 4.
Wow.
I took 3 sips. It wasn't bad stuff.
This was good. This may be one of the best shops we've gotten from them, to be honest.
It's my
I
favorite
really like
so far.
Yeah, Dekuyper usually gets you.
Yeah, the Kuiper ones are usually like, whoa.
Like
fuck.
super, super sweet. No, this was really nice.
Yeah.